We're at North County Indian Motorcycles in San Marcos, and today we're looking at a 2020 Yamaha MT-07. This one is in blue. So we have dual disc braking in the front with ABS. We also have axle sliders. We have a very bright LED lower profile turn signals. If you've seen the stock ones, they stick out really far. We also have frame sliders and a really nice exhaust system. And it sounds great. We'll listen to it in a little bit. The rear axle sliders are really awesome because they double as a way to put your bike up onto the stand. And we have ABS in the rear as well. Nice bright LED turn signals on the rear. Overall, this is an extremely clean motorcycle. And last cool thing on here is the adjustable levers. You can bring them closer or farther away. Key is right up here in the front. Miles are 1,562. Engine cutoff switch and the start button are integrated together. We're at North County Indian Motorcycles. We're located in San Marcos, California, and we're open for test rides 6 days a week.